Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. I was just relaxing in the back of this fantastic 7-seat Kia Sorento. I'll just hop out. I'm 6'4", loads of space in the back of this car. It is in fantastic condition, this vehicle. It's all-wheel drive. It's got the 2.2 litre diesel engine. And in this video, I'll show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. So here it is, our beautiful Kia Sorento. Now, this will be delivered to its new owner with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard, but you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. As you can see, it has polished up absolutely beautifully. We hand polish all of our cars with Auto Glims products, and this one in the beautiful black paintwork has come up stunning. It is in amazing condition, this car. Been very, very well looked after. It will be delivered to you with a new 12-month MOT, and it has just been serviced by a Korean car independent workshop, a Korean car specialist. Right, so this has got the 2.2 litre diesel engine, automatic gearbox, fuel economy on the combined cycle of 38 miles per gallon, and it does 194 brake horsepower. We've got 2 keys for this car. It is 7 seats, and it is insurance group 30E. I will show you now in detail any marks that I've picked up. It's got a fantastic specification, this one. Auto headlights, there's Xenon front headlights. It's the KX3 specification, so you get lots of little extras on this, including sat-nav, Bluetooth, and many other things, but we'll show you those when we get inside. But just starting at the front end, no marks I can see. This car is covered 89,500 miles there or thereabouts. No real stone chips to speak of. There's a couple of tiny ones on the front here, but as you can see, they don't really show up. Beautiful chrome tiger nose grille, which you get on all Kias. Coming down this side, we have got 18-inch alloy wheels. All the tyres are in good condition. The alloys are in fantastic condition, as you can see. 5-door model this. With rear tinted glass, no marks really on the driver's side to mention. This alloy wheel in fantastic condition. Walking around the back, tow bar, which is very handy. These cars are often used for towing. As you can see, this has got the 7 seats in place. I was in one of them a moment ago. To put them down, it's as simple as pulling that lever and dropping the seat. You pull that lever, drop the seat. You've got that second row of seats currently flat, so you can see it's a huge boot space. If you need it to be, you can put all of those seats down. Let me show you actually. Pop this one down too. I need to do it from the other side. Stand by. I've just run around and done that. So that's all of the seats down. As you can see, a huge space in the back here. And if you need to get into the back when those seats are in place, you can just lift that and the seat pops up. So incredibly versatile, this car. It's nice to be able to have that 7-seat option if you need to. We have got the parcel shelf that goes in the back there in place, and there is a boot protection for this too. I'll put that in, actually I'm going to put it in now. Let me just pause the video 1 second. Right, so we're just popping the boot liner back in place, so that fits there. And let me just show you, just before we do that, there's the jack there, and also this car comes with a full-size spare wheel, which is under there. Right, if you just pop that back in place, please, Luke. Thank you very much. While Luke's doing that, I'll just show you inside the rear, the rear middle row bench of seats. Leather interior. You've got ISOFIX points on this seat and that, and there is a armrest with cup holders in the back for you. Right, let me just run around the other side to the passenger side, focus on that for a moment. So just start at the front end while I'm here. This alloy wheel, all looking good. Again, tyre tread in lots of tyre tread on that one. Down the passenger side, no real dinks or anything standing out to me whatsoever. Just me in the beautifully polished paintwork. And this rear alloy wheel also in good condition, as you can see, with lock-in wheel nuts. Roof rails up here, and my notes, forgot about those. And a panoramic sunroof. No chips or anything that I can see on the windscreen. Both of the wing mirrors in very good condition. And I'll just show you how nice it is in the front as well. Two very big, comfortable leather seats in good condition. Right, let's jump in and I'll show you the toys. Right, we've got two keys for it, as you can see. Slight little bit of wear there on the seat. It hasn't actually marked it, but just the bolster has dropped a little bit. We like to show you everything in these videos, so you don't have any surprises when you come here to see this car. Now, in terms of kit, like I say, it's remote start with these two keys. So you just press the start button. Automatic gearbox. I'll just turn that down. Two cup holders, space there for your keys and other bits. Over here we've got electric windows all round. You've got electric mirrors which power fold in, like so, and back out again. You've got diff lock. It is a four-wheel drive model, as I mentioned. As you can see, no warning lights on the dash, just the handbrake, and me not wearing a seatbelt. 88,896 miles. Dual zone climate control, air conditioning. You've got FM, AM radio here, CD player, and clock at the top. Heated front seats. Obviously it's got this automatic gearbox. And a really nice, smart interior. I'll just show you that. Pan roof up there. A very, very nice car to spend some time in, and a nice big high up riding driving position. Right, let's talk about the history. Right, history-wise, I've made a few notes. This car has been incredibly well looked after. It's had services at Kia main dealers in 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Independent services after that in 2019, 2021, obviously the COVID delay in 2020. It's had 2022, 2023, 2024, and it's just been serviced, as I said at the start of this video, by our Korean car specialist in June 2025. This car will come with a new 12-month MOT. That's the next thing that's going to be done. We'll be taking it to the garage after this video is finished being recorded. If you'd like this car, we offer nationwide home delivery. So if you're interested in that, please get in touch with us for a quote. Also, while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of the 5-star service we've given here at the Clever Car Collection to all of our customers, and we're an award-winning dealership here. I'm very, very proud of it too, so please check out those reviews. If you'd like to see this car, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. Or you can find lots of pictures of this on our newfangled and beautifully sparkly website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Right, I hope this video has been useful. We look forward to showing you this fantastic, brilliant family car when you come here to the Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you very soon. Goodbye.